by the name of Pecan Deluxe. This ice cream was high maintenance. When I took her out, nearly cost me $20. Met the chick named Won't Up, it nearly made me sick to the point of throwing up. So I called chocolate chip with the sweet toffee crisp, and I still can't get enough. You're what I want, you're what I need. I wanna taste ya, take you home with me. Your lips so good, good enough to eat. I wonder if I can feel your rapping. I could be fantasy. What's your flavor? Tell me what's your flavor. 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 I took them in the middle of July with the drop top down in the park when the summer in. These ice creams looking so fly that I just can't lie. It all seems too bewildering. They got these grown men running around screaming out, acting worse than chittering. But who flow better, know better, stack cheddar, get more tongues better than this ice cream veteran. Sure what I want, sure what I need. What I need. I wanna taste ya, take you home with me. Take it home with me.
Per la terza serie femminile dei 200 d'orso, Caterina Foradori in 1, Monica Pizzolli in 2, Speranza Perencini in 3, Adelaide Toso in 4, Giorgia De Massi in 5, Chiara Corazza in 6, Sofia Ferrari in 7, Adele Dalla Torre in 8.
Hey, I'm taking them apple and cinnamon girls, I'm feeling them, can't stop picking them. That's why they got me dribbling hot fudge sauce and it's all over my Timberlands. I take them caramel with a hint of vanilla with a little chocolate sprinklings. They make me spend my dividends. These sweet things make me feel like a kid again. You what I want, you what I need, what I need. I wanna